Rust cheat sheet. Everything you need for Rust syntax, ownership, borrowing, traits, and error handling, all in one place. Rust variables are immutable by default, which prevents accidental changes. Add the mut keyword when you actually need to change a value. Use explicit type annotations when the compiler cannot infer the type. Type conversions use the as keyword for primitives and to underscore string or parse for text. Ownership is Rust's most important concept. Every value has exactly one owner, and when the owner goes out of scope, the value is dropped. Assigning a heap value like string to a new variable moves it. The original is no longer valid. Use clone for deep copies when you need both variables. Borrowing lets you use a value without taking ownership. Use &t for read-only borrows and &mut_t for mutable borrows. The key rule is you can have many immutable borrows or one mutable borrow, never both at the same time. This prevents data races at compile time. Structs hold related data together, and impl blocks add methods. Use self as a shortcut for the struct's own type. Enums and Rust can hold data in each variant, making them much more powerful than enums in other languages. Use pattern matching to handle each variant. Option and result are how Rust handles missing values and errors without null or exceptions. Option is either some with a value or none. Result is either OK with success or error with an error. Use the question mark operator to propagate errors up the call stack cleanly. Traits define shared behavior across types, similar to interfaces. You can provide default method implementations that types can override. Use impl trait in function parameters for static dispatch, or dyn trait for dynamic dispatch when you need runtime polymorphism. Vec is the most common collection, a growable dynamic array. Hashmap stores key-value pairs with fast lookups. Rust iterators are lazy and very efficient. Chain filter, map, and collect to transform data in a functional style without allocating intermediate collections. Closures capture variables from their environment. Use the move keyword to take ownership of captured variables. Cargo is Rust's build, tool, and package manager. Use cargo run to build and execute, cargo test for testing, and cargo clippy to catch common mistakes before they become bugs. Lifetimes tell the compiler how long references are valid. Most of the time, the compiler infers lifetimes automatically. You only need explicit lifetime annotations when a function returns a reference that could come from multiple inputs. Use the tika syntax to annotate lifetimes. Async Rust uses the async and await keywords with a runtime, like Tokio. Async functions return a future that must be awaited. Use Tokio join to run multiple async tasks in parallel. Error handling in async code works the same as synchronous code with the question mark operator. Pattern matching with match is exhaustive. You must handle every possible case. Use if-let for when you only care about one pattern. Destructuring works in match arms to extract values from structs and enums. Combine patterns with the pipe operator for or matching. Smart pointers manage memory beyond simple references. Box puts data on the heap for large values or recursive types. RC enables shared ownership with reference counting. Arc is the thread-safe version of RC for concurrent access. Use refcell when you need interior mutability. Here are common Rust mistakes to avoid. Don't clone everything just to satisfy the borrow checker. Restructure your code instead. Never use unwrap in production because it panics on none or error. Don't return references to local variables. Use own types instead. Quick Rust tips. Use the derive macro to automatically implement common traits like debug, clone, and partial EQ. Prefer street slices over own strings and function parameters. Use cargo FMT before every commit to keep formatting consistent across your team. That's the Rust cheat sheet. Check the blog post link below for the full written version with more examples. See you in the next video.